Hey everyone, so this is going to be a quick run through of everything you'll need to know about Slack, our communication platform for this program. So we require you all to have this downloaded on your computer and phone. I'll be completely honest, there may be a little learning curve to this, but it's also a great thing to learn because it's the world's fastest growing business app. Airbnb, Amazon, eBay, LinkedIn, and most huge companies are using this as their prime communication tool. And thousands of more smaller businesses are using this as well. So this is a great opportunity to get ready for it after college. So just a basic run through of the interface. Slack is a messaging system that is hyper organized. So it's first off divided into public and private channels. All public channels are going to have hashtags and you'll be able to join any of these that you want. There's also private channels which you'll be in, which are specifically for the Foundations group. So you'll be in your team channel as well as some other channels that will help you out throughout the entire program. Now, one of the great things about Slack is you can also address a certain person or an entire channel. So if I want to type in general and I want everyone to see this message, but I want to specifically talk to Allison, what I can do is type anything in here and she'll get a notification. I can also address the entire channel if I want everyone to get a notification. This is just a quick and easy way to keep the conversation even more organized. Now, one of the other great things about Slack is you can actually comment on certain messages instead of having to continually fill up the chat. So all I have to do is go to a message and click Start Thread. So as you can see, Andy posted a cool little article here. So instead of putting this in the entire chat, I can actually just respond to this message. And then as you can see, my reply shows up in the thread below. Another cool thing about Slack is you can react to messages with different emojis. And this is just another tool that makes it really interactive and a little bit more fun for communication. So I can add the rad pig, or I can add pretty much any other emoji there is. So lastly, for the basic quick run through of Slack, you can also upload files. So say I'm in the member interview help and I want some people to help look over my resume and maybe get some feedback. I can upload any sort of file straight into this chat and then people will be able to comment it right there. Now, just for some quick logistics for Foundations, the first thing we need all of you to do once you've downloaded Slack is set up your profile. So if you just go up here to profile and account and then click edit your profile, you'll then be able to add your name, your phone number, and your email. And this will just help us get in contact with each other, and then also you'll be able to get to know the people in the program a little bit better. Also, Slack has some personalized notification preferences, so you can actually set different notification preferences for each channel. The only thing we're going to require you to have notifications on for is your team channel. So if you go up to the little settings and then you click notification preferences, you'll see that all new message notifications should be turned on. Now what you can do is for a channel like general, where you may not want every single message giving you a notification on your phone, you can then go to notification preferences and turn on notifications just for messages that are going to mention your name or for none at all. So just make sure you have your team channel notification settings on and you should be good to go. Now for the very last thing, you're all in the larger Slack community with people who have already gone through the program. However, you will be a part of a few private channels. So again, those private channels are going to be your team channels as well as a few other things for the program. Now in your team channels, this is where you're going to be uploading a lot of your work for your teammates to look over. And then also you can post a few questions in here and your coach can give you some help. However, if you do have questions about the content, the program, or anything else, we do encourage you to put them all into the larger questions channel, because this is going to have people who are also not on your team, so the chance that your question gets answered faster is going to be a lot higher. Just one little fun feature of Slack before we finish is the Jiffy function. So if you type \Jiffy and then any text afterwards, what it's going to do is post a randomly generated GIF. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, comment on this video if you have any questions. Really looking forward to this program. Thanks guys.